Hi, I'm Josephine Ramos reporting. Multiple sclerosis is a chronic demyelinating disease that affects the central nervous system, which includes the brain and the spinal cord. The myelin is the protective sheath that surrounds the axon of neurons, allowing them to quickly send electrical impulses. This myelin produced by oligodendrocytes, which are the group of cells that supports neurons. In multiple sclerosis, demyelination happens when immune system in appropriate way attacks and destroys the myelin, which makes communication between neurons break down. Ultimately, results to all sensory motor and cognitive problems. Now the brain, including the neurons in the brain, is protected from the things in the blood by the blood-brain barrier, which only lets certain molecules in cells to get through from the blood. For immune cells like T cells and B cells, that means that they have a right to lock in to a surface molecules to get through the blood-brain barrier. Once the T cells makes the way in, it can be activated by something getting co-owners. In case multiple sclerosis, it is activated by myelin. Once the T cells get activated, it changes them both. And the blood-brain barrier also expresses more receptors, and this allows the mini cells to more easy ways to get in. Now, multiple sclerosis is a type of 4 hypersensitivity reactions, or cell-mediated hypersensitivity, and this means that myelin-specific T cells release cytokines, like interleukin-1, interleukin-6, tumor necrosis factor alpha, interferon gamma, which together allow to dilate the blood vessels, which allow more cells to get in. Its walls directly cause damage to be like on oligodendrocytes. These cytokines also attacks B cells and macrophages with primatory reactions with those B cells, and that makes antibodies and put the mark on the myelin sheath's protein. And then the macrophages use those antibody marker to engulf and destroy the oligodendrocytes. Without oligodendrocytes, there's no myelin to cover the axon of neurons. In these ways, behind areas is a scar tissue called plaques or sclera. Early on multiple sclerosis, we like the oligodendrocytes to heal and extend out new myelin to cover the neuron, which is the process called remyelination. Unfortunately though, over time, the oligodendrocytes die off and the remyelination stops, and the damage becomes irreversible down the axon. Thank you so much for watching.